Do you struggle with the new input system and with the rebinding of controls? Then you are at the right place. I'm Mario, founder of Root Games, and I'm working with Unity for almost 10 years. The new input system can be confusing because it has 4 different ways of implementation. And even those 4 ways branch out and have iterations. In this course, we will go through all of them so you can choose what is best for your game and your coding style. Through examples, we will learn when some implementations can be better than others. There is an input example for a 2D platformer. Then what I call a top-down RPG view. And we even quickly analyze the input of Unity's official 3D first-person character controller asset. Following the course is easy since you can download Unity projects from resources and everything that you need to follow the lectures is already set up. Also, if you follow some other courses that use the old input system, with this course you will learn how to switch your projects to the new input system. And you could have a completely functional rebind system. The rebind system is my favorite part of the course. Every commercial game needs to have it. And yes, you can find some examples on YouTube, but if you try to implement those systems or even read the first comments, you will see bug was found, it's not working as it should, and so on. I was also not happy with those systems, especially how they deal with duplicates. What is unique about this rebinding system is that it can detect duplicates and then automatically swap them. For example, I use the spacebar binding for jump. Let's say that I want to use it for attack, which uses left mouse button. Start the rebinding process, press space, and you will notice that left mouse button and space swapped places. This system will also work with gamepads, and you will learn how to use icons for rebind buttons. Of course, we can reset bindings to default values. So if you wish to learn the new input system in the right way and have a functional rebinding system, or just transfer your projects to the new input system, then this course is for you. Enroll now and see you in the course.